Did you know that there is an app in Google Play that can provide step-by-step calculations and statistics? Introducing ShinStats, Solutions Generator. Hey Nixers! Does your gender influence the social media vibes you're into? Today, we're unmasking the connection between gender and social media preferences. Stay tuned as we fire up the app and uncover the secrets with a thrilling chi-square test of independence. Let's roll! Begin by launching the app. Head to the menu bar and click on it. And here's a quick pro tip. To make things even easier, use the search bar. Just type chi-square and voila! Select chi-square test of independence among the filtered options, and it will lead you straight to the associated calculator. Whether you choose the menu or the search bar, follow along and explore the app features with me. All right, Nixers. We've got our hands on a fascinating question. Does gender influence social media preferences? Let's proceed to the calculator to find out. On the calculator's landing page, we will be prompted to input the number of rows and columns first. In our case, we have 2 rows represented by the categories for gender, which are male and female, and 3 columns represented by the social media platforms, Facebook, X, and Instagram. Don't forget to set our significance level alpha to 0.05. It's crucial for our analysis. We also need to input the 2 variables under examination, which, in this scenario, are gender and social media preferences. Remember, accuracy is the key. The app's magic works best with precise data. Now, with everything set, we're ready to unleash the statistical wizardry and examine whether gender influences social media preferences. Click Perform Test and watch an ad in exchange for the step-by-step solution. All right, Nixers, let's delve into the step-by-step solution. We'll walk through each phase, providing a sneak peek into what the calculator churns out. First up, we craft the hypothesis. Next, we compute the degrees of freedom. Then, on to determining the critical value. Afterward, we establish the decision rule. Lastly, we crunch the numbers for the test statistic. And here it is. Since the chi-square statistic of 5.657 is less than the critical chi-square value of 5.991, the result of the test is not statistically significant. We fail to reject the null hypothesis. This result suggests that there is no significant association between gender and social media preferences. In other words, it seems like your preferred social media platform doesn't necessarily depend on whether you're a guy or a girl. So, go ahead, tweet or post that status update. Your choice might be more about personal preference than your gender. For those who are wondering about the p-value associated with the chi-square statistic, we got you covered. In this optional step, we learned that this value is equal to 0.0591, which is greater than the significance level alpha of 0.05. And what do we conclude when the p-value is greater than the significance level alpha? That's right. We fail to reject the null hypothesis. Curious about APA format, or keen on neatly slotting in those earlier calculated values? Look no further. Our APA format guide is your trusty sidekick. It's not just a summary tool, it's your organized ally, ready to assist every time you venture into statistical terrain. Whether filling in values or structuring findings, let the guide simplify the process. Do these results spark your interest? Express some love with a double tap or by hitting that heart. Your tap fuels our stats passion. If ShinStats has brought value to your statistical journey, elevate your insights by downloading our app on Google Play Store for an in-depth, step-by-step breakdown of your data. A heartfelt thanks for sticking with us till the end of the video. See you on the next one. Follow for more.